Question 1. What is AWS Amplify? The correct answer is B, full stack app development platform. Question 2. What does Amplify provide? The correct answer is B, front-end, back-end, hosting, and C/CD. Question 3. What frameworks does Amplify support? The correct answer is B, React, Angular, Vue, Next.js, Question 4. Native, Flutter. What is Amplify Studio? The correct answer is B, Visual Development Environment. Question 5. Can you build UI with Amplify Studio? The correct answer is B, yes, Visual UI Builder with Figma integration. Question 6. What is Amplify CLI? The correct answer is B, command line tool for backend provisioning. Question 7. What backend services can Amplify provision? The correct answer is B, Auth, API, storage, functions, analytics, Question 8, etc. What is Amplify hosting? The correct answer is B, managed hosting for web apps. Question 9. Does Amplify support C/CD? The correct answer is B, yes, automatic build and deploy. Question 10. Can Amplify deploy from Git? The correct answer is B, yes, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, CodeCommit. Question 11. What is Amplify DataStore? The correct answer is B, local and cloud data synchronization. Question 12. Does DataStore work offline? The correct answer is B, yes, offline first with sync. Question 13. What is Amplify Auth? The correct answer is B, authentication and authorization service. Question 14. What does Amplify Auth use? The correct answer is B, Amazon Cognito. Question 15. Can Amplify support social sign-in? The correct answer is B, yes, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple. Question 16. What is Amplify API? The correct answer is B, GraphQL and REST API creation. Question 17. Does Amplify support GraphQL? The correct answer is B, yes, with AppSync. Question 18. Does Amplify support REST APIs? The correct answer is B, yes, with API Gateway and Lambda. Question 19. What is Amplify storage? The correct answer is B, file storage with S3. Question 20. Can you upload files with Amplify? The correct answer is B, yes, to S3 with access control. Question 21. What is Amplify functions? The correct answer is B, serverless Lambda functions. Question 22. Can you add custom business logic? The correct answer is B, yes, using Lambda functions. Question 23. What is Amplify Analytics? The correct answer is B, track user behavior and metrics. Question 24. What service powers Amplify Analytics? The correct answer is B, Amazon Pinpoint. Question 25. Can you track custom events? The correct answer is B, yes, custom analytics events. Question 26. What is Amplify Predictions? The correct answer is B, AI/ML capabilities, text, image, speech. Question 27. What AI services does Predictions use? The correct answer is B, Rekognition, Translate, Poly, Textract, Comprehend. Question 28. Can Amplify convert text to speech? The correct answer is B, yes, using Poly. Question 29. What is Amplify Geo? The correct answer is B, add maps and location features. Question 30. What service powers Amplify Geo? The correct answer is B, Amazon Location Service. Question 31. Does Amplify support custom domains? The correct answer is B, yes, with SSL certificates. Question 32. Are SSL certificates free? The correct answer is B, yes, managed by Amplify. Question 33. Does Amplify support environment branches? The correct answer is B, yes, dev, staging, production. Question 34. Can you preview pull requests? The correct answer is B, yes, automatic preview deployments. Question 35. Does Amplify support SSR? The correct answer is B, yes, server-side rendering with Next.js. Question 36. Can Amplify host static sites? The correct answer is B, yes, with global CDN. Question 37. What is Amplify Admin UI? The correct answer is B, web-based backend management. Question 38. Can non-developers use Admin UI? The correct answer is B, yes, manage content and users. Question 39. Does Amplify support monorepos? The correct answer is B, yes, monorepo detection. Question 40. Can you set build settings? The correct answer is B, yes, custom build commands. Question 41. Does Amplify cache builds? The correct answer is B, yes, for faster deployments. Question 42. Can you add environment variables? The correct answer is B, yes, for different environments. Question 43. Does Amplify support webhooks? The correct answer is B, yes, trigger builds via webhooks. Question 44. Can you monitor app performance? The correct answer is B, yes, CloudWatch metrics. Question 45. What is Amplify pricing based on? The correct answer is B, build minutes, storage, data transfer. Question 46. Is there a free tier? The correct answer is B, yes, 1000 build minutes/month, 15 GB storage. Question 47. What are common Amplify use cases? The correct answer is B, web apps, mobile apps, PWAs, e-commerce. Question 48. Can Amplify build mobile apps? The correct answer is B, yes, React Native, Flutter, iOS, Android. Question 49. Is Amplify good for startups? The correct answer is B, yes, rapid full stack development. Question 50. Can Amplify scale automatically? The correct answer is B, yes, serverless auto-scaling. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.